Moto Focus presents an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT, a motorcycle crafted to reset the definition of world-class grand touring. Honda's newest flagship takes the legendary Goldwing DNA and expands it into an era where connectivity, mechanical smoothness, and rider-focused luxury meet at a higher level than ever before. For decades, the Goldwing has symbolized refinement on wheels, but the GCT ushers in a more sophisticated form of touring, one that prioritizes not only comfort and power, but also intelligent travel, adaptive systems, and long-distance harmony. Honda positions this model as the most advanced Goldwing ever built, engineered to carry riders farther, smoother, and with more ease than any motorcycle in its class. Design evolution and grand comfort, touring identity. The 2026 Goldwing GCT emerges from a philosophy Honda refers to as grand comfort touring, representing an approach centered on relaxation, control, and balanced physical ergonomics. Every contour of the motorcycle is shaped to help riders feel grounded, yet weightless at the same time. The frame sits lower, the center of gravity shifts more centrally, and the overall bodywork flows with purpose. The seating layers use multi-density foam with pressure point mapping technology, offering a chair-like feel that maintains support over thousands of kilometers. The cockpit layout ensures the rider's line of sight is natural and upright, reducing neck strain on extended journeys. Passenger accommodations are equally prioritized, granting a throne-like experience with expanded cushioning, improved grab point design, and temperature-controlled comfort zones. Flat six engine refinement and mechanical harmony. Honda preserves its iconic horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine while enhancing nearly every internal system. The 2026 Goldwing GCT benefits from friction reduction coatings on pistons, an improved crankshaft counterbalancing system, and lighter internal components designed to minimize vibration. These updates produce a more fluid torque curve, giving riders a sensation of effortless propulsion at nearly any speed. The engine's heat management system is upgraded to maintain ideal operating temperatures even during slow, congested touring sections. The power delivery feels clean, deep, and unforced, with a signature Goldwing hum that is quieter but more tonally rich. The revised intake canal helps smooth airflow into the engine, and the new exhaust design reduces back pressure while enhancing low-frequency acoustic warmth. Advanced GCT, DCT transmission, and smart shift mapping. The next-gen DCT featured in the 2026 GCT responds more naturally to rider intention through software that analyzes throttle behavior, weight distribution, incline, descent, and load. The shift transitions feel nearly invisible, especially during high-speed cruising, making the riding experience calm and uninterrupted. Honda refines the clutch engagement logic for increased precision during slow movement, making difficult maneuvers, tight parking lots, uneven terrain, U-turns, much more controlled. Riders can still switch to manual paddle shift mode, which now delivers faster reaction times for those who prefer interactive gear control during spirited riding or mountain climbs. The GCT's highway shift pattern is optimized to keep RPMs low and engine noise quiet, reinforcing the bike's touring serenity. Chassis architecture and premier touring stability. Engineers reworked the internal rigidity of the aluminum chassis, improving load distribution across the frame to create greater stability at high speeds and during heavy luggage travel. Honda fine-tuned the steering geometry to make the large machine feel unexpectedly agile. Even with its grand dimensions, the GCT handles like a lighter motorcycle thanks to its improved double wishbone front suspension, which separates braking forces from steering motion, maintaining consistent feedback and reducing handlebar dive. The rear suspension uses next-generation adaptive damping that scans road irregularities and adjusts within milliseconds. The result is a cushioning effect that keeps the motorcycle floating through imperfections without transmitting harshness to the rider or passenger. Aerodynamic engineering and wind flow control. The aerodynamic design of the 2026 Goldwing GCT enhances both stability and noise suppression. Honda reshaped the front fairing to direct airflow uniformly around the motorcycle, creating a cocoon of calm for long-distance travel. Revised winglets guide air outward, reducing turbulence around the rider's shoulders, while the optimized screen angle channels air over the cabin at highway speeds. The mirrors are sculpted with aerodynamic trimming to deflect wind cleanly, reducing cabin vibration and buffeting. Together, these refinements create an exceptionally quiet riding environment, ideal for listening to music, speaking with a passenger, or simply enjoying the ambient rhythm of travel. Technology and intelligent rider assistance. Honda integrates the most comprehensive electronic touring suite the Goldwing series has ever seen. The central infotainment system is built upon a faster processor, enabling quicker navigation updates, rapid route recalc, and smoother interface animation. The user interface implements a modular layout, allowing riders to customize display elements based on their preferences. Trip info, engine data, weather, traffic, or music. The smart connectivity platform improves Bluetooth stability, supports new generation headsets, and allows seamless phone mirroring. Honda's predictive diagnostic system reads engine temperature, oil composition, brake performance, and real-time load distribution, alerting riders to recommended maintenance before problems arise. This proactive system plays a crucial role for long-distance riders who cover thousands of kilometers without frequent service points. Touring comfort, climate control, and cabin refinement. The 2026 Goldwing GCT amplifies rider and passenger comfort through enhanced climate regulation and more supportive ergonomics. The seats are engineered with cooling, microvents, and heating grids divided into adjustable zones, allowing each rider to fine-tune their temperature independent of the other. The backrest feature micro-tilt adjustments that help maintain proper spinal alignment. Footrests are widened for more stable foot placement, and their cushioning reduces vibration that typically increases fatigue over long rides. Storage compartments are insulated to preserve food, drinks, and electronics, while the luggage system locks securely even under heavy load vibration. Enhanced cabin quietness makes communication clear without the need to raise voices, delivering a personalized luxury travel experience. Safety, assistance systems, and rider confidence. The 2026 Goldwing GCT Safety Suite incorporates new generation rider assist features that enhance awareness, stability, and protection. The radar-assisted system expands its detection range, providing earlier alerts for vehicles approaching quickly from behind or entering blind zones. Honda upgrades its traction control algorithms to adapt better to wet conditions, sand, gravel, and sudden elevation changes. Cornering ABS is tuned for smoother intervention during sharp, heavy lean turns. The GCT introduces an improved emergency stop assist that adds controlled braking support in sudden obstacle situations. A balance assistance controller helps maintain upright stability at low speeds or during unexpected stops, especially useful when fully loaded or carrying a passenger. Long-distance touring freedom and practicality. Honda designed the 2026 Goldwing GCT for riders who thrive on extended journeys and demand practical luxury. The fuel tank offers extended range, supported by engine optimization that increases efficiency without sacrificing power. The redesigned saddlebags provide improved organization, allowing riders to store touring gear, electronics, clothing, and essentials in a cleaner, more accessible layout. USB-C power ports offer fast charging, and the onboard power management system ensures accessories draw safely from the battery without compromising ignition reliability. Honda improved glove box capacity, giving riders more storage for tools, documents, or daily essentials. These practical elements allow riders to travel across borders, climates, and terrains with confidence and convenience. A new generation of Goldwing touring philosophy. The 2026 Goldwing GCT is more than a motorcycle. It is an evolution of how Honda interprets freedom, travel, and rider comfort. Each update, from mechanical refinement to cabin comfort, serves the purpose of making long-distance travel feel effortless and emotionally rewarding. Honda's commitment to rider-centered engineering is visible in every element, from the suspension's adaptive balance to the engine's polished delivery. The GCT embraces the idea that travel should be immersive and uninterrupted, offering a smooth harmony between rider, machine, and the open road. Conclusion: a flagship designed for the road ahead. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT stands proudly as one of the most advanced, luxurious, and thoughtfully engineered touring motorcycles on the market. It blends decades of Honda expertise with future-oriented technology, delivering a machine capable of carrying riders to distant horizons with grace, confidence, and unmatched comfort. For touring enthusiasts seeking the ultimate expression of long-distance luxury, the 2026 Goldwing GCT marks a new golden era of motorcycling.